from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles west of Key Bridge to 14 nautical miles west of Aquia Creek, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Floaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Leesylvania State Park, National Harbor, Quantico, Fort Washington, Tidal Basin, Reagan National Airport, Gunston Hall, Mason Neck State Park, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Indian Head, Key Bridge, Occoquan Bay, Fort Hunt, Smallwood State Park, and Alexandria. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Severe weather safety rules. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Stafford County in Northern Virginia, Southeastern Rockland County in Northern Virginia, the city of Fairfax to Northern Virginia, Arlington County in Northern Virginia, the city of Falls Church in Northern Virginia, Fairfax County in Northern Virginia, Southeastern Fauquier County in Northern Virginia. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Stafford County in Northern Virginia, Southeastern Rockland County in Northern Virginia, until 5:15 p.m. Southeastern Prince William County in Northern Virginia, the city of Manassas in Northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in Northern Virginia, until 5:15 p.m. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downstream.
Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall.
Secure light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Arlington, Alexandria, Centerville.
Roadways may become blocked by downed trees.
South Riding.
Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Arlington, Alexandria, Centerville, Dale City, Annandale, Springfield, South Riding, Fort Washington, Fairfax, Fort Hunt, Vienna, Groveton, Falls Church, Huntington, Mantua, Fort Belvoir, Emmett Hill.
Vehicle through flooded roadways.
She says, if people don't feel welcome coming to Utah,
Severe thunderstorm warning for northeast
Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Therefore, the warning has been canceled. Another severe thunderstorm watch remains in most of Prince William County.
Central Maryland
A severe thunderstorm. Warning for Orange County and Central Virginia, Western Pennsylvania County and Central Virginia until 5:30 p.m. At 4:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Orange, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Orange, Gordonsville, Mine Run, Roseville.
Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Orange, Gordonsville, Mine Run, Roseville, Parker, Everett, Verdiersville, Burkett, Run, Smithers Grove, Golden Stonehill, Nassau, Logan, Laurel, Glenrock, Lake of the Woods, and Englandville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Until 8 p.m. in the following counties, District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland, Calvert, Charles, Frederick, Montgomery.
The kid.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Louisa County, southeastern Gooch Lund County, Caroline County, northwestern Henrico County. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Henrico County, Hanover County, northern Powhatan County until 5:30 p.m. In Halifax, severe thunderstorm. Yes, shorty. Gift card. She got to eat with.
Hill, Glen Allen, and Laurel around 5:25 p.m. Hanover, Port Royal, Kings Dominion, and Dawn around 5:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by
Yeah.
WCYK went off for that.
Around 5:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms. Don't wait until age or using Twitter at NWS. You did so easily. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the District of Columbia, South Central Montgomery County in Central Maryland, Prince George's County in Central Maryland, Northern Charles County in Southern Maryland until 5:45 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near America.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the District of Columbia, South Central Montgomery County in Central Maryland, Prince George's County in Central Maryland, Northern Charles County in Southern Maryland until 5:45 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near American University to Franconia to near Woodbridge, moving within 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectile. Locations and tactics include Arlington, Alexandria, Walworth, Bethesda, Bowie, Trojan, Fort Washington, Forestville, Largo, Coral Hills, Williamsburg, Fort Belvoir, National Harbor, Marlboro, National Park, FedEx Field, Howard University, Gallaudet University, Fort Cotton and Rossland. For your protection, we'll carry a room on the lowest floor of the building.
Severe thunderstorm warning for southern Stafford County in northern Virginia, the city of Fredericksburg in central Virginia, County in central Virginia until 5:45 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles east of Orange to near Mingus, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Source, law enforcement. These storms have a history of producing tree damage. Damage will cause some trees and leaves branch out to fall. This is corner outdoors, as well as damage and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may be projectile interior room on the location of hazards include Fredericksburg, Massachusetts, Spotsylvania, Falmouth, Fairfield, Stones Corner, Leland, Brokenburg, Snell, Spring Valley, Altown, Gatewood, Chancellorsville, Harlow, Post Oak, Thornburg, White Oak, Brookfield, and Cookstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Hazard, 50 miles per hour with gusts. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. for east and north and western parts of the county. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cumberland County, east central Prince Edward County. At least one being great. 5:05 p.m. Making around 5:15 p.m. Eastern. Eatonville and Holly Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. Issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland until 7:15 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles northwest of Aquia Creek to 19 nautical miles southwest of Fairview Beach, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Yokomico River, Potomac Creek, Breton Bay, Nanchanoy Creek, Smallwood State Park, Quantico, Swan Point, Colton's Point, St. George Island, Pope's Creek, St. Clement Bay, mouth of the Potomac River, Maryland Point, Port Tobacco River, Colonial Beach, Cobb Island, Point Lookout, Nepah's Point, United States. 3019 Memorial Bridge and Potomac River. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Warning for the District of Columbia, South Central Montgomery County and Central Maryland, Prince George's County, a severe